Well, this is the week. Health experts say we will start seeing the COVID impact of the Thanksgiving holiday. A lot of focus is being put on the college students who left their campuses Thanksgiving week and then headed home. And new technology is allowing us to see just how extensive the college spread can be. John Shumway is here to show us the fascinating way they're doing this. John, what are they using?
They're using cell phone technology. Now understand, they don't know whose phones these are. They just know that they are cell phones that are associated with college students. And they say a picture is worth 1,000 words. Well, this is a classic example. A company called Tectonics uses the cell phone data collected by Verisat, and they're able to map the movement of college students over the Thanksgiving break. Let's take a look at Penn State, and we'll start the week before Thanksgiving.
We isolated just the outline of the campus itself as our initial polygon where we wanted to start with the data set.
Then they followed the phones as they went home for Thanksgiving. And those phones have now dispersed, as you see, all across the country. A red flag to Johns Hopkins' Dr. Amesh Adalja.
I do think that you have to think of colleges as basically mass gatherings, and they do travel a lot, and we will likely see some spread from college campuses because we know that college campuses have various degrees of control.
And the spread pattern is consistent as we look at the travel progressions at Pitt and WVU.
So college students in general are going to have some level of infection. And when they travel to their hometowns, when they start to hang out with their high school friends, you're likely to see transmission events. So this is something that will help the virus disperse itself around the country.
You know, following the cell phones and seeing the dispersal across the country, is there value in that kind of information?
I do think there is value in understanding travel patterns and transportation and how much mobility people have, because this is a virus that thrives on social interaction. So understanding how widely a person's social network is based on their hometown, where they're coming from, where they're going, all of that helps you understand what to expect. And I think it really underscores the fact that we need to think about college students as high-risk contacts.
And Dr. Adalja points out that not having the students on campus before January is a good thing to help reduce the spread, but it is far from enough. Coming up in our next half hour, why the numbers and those visual images of those dots spreading out all over the country should mean more to us than just images and numbers.
Well, you know, John, too, when we think about it, going back in January gives enough time for the Thanksgiving stuff to level out. But what about holiday gatherings? We're going to see that all happening again. Right.
It's like dominoes. I mean, it's already started, and we just don't know how far out it's going to go.
Okay. All right, John, we'll check back with you in just a little bit. Thanks so much. Eye-opening stuff there.